EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create an automatic room light system using Magic Board. For this experiment, we will require a Magic Board with USB Type-C cable, a PIR sensor, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of the project. So, let's start building. Step 1. Connect the PIR sensor to the Magic Board. Connect the VCC and GND pins to the 5V and ground pins, and the output pin to the signal pin IO3. Step 2. Power the Magic Board using the USB Type-C cable and connect it to the computer. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Magic Board. You can download the code from the official website displayed on the screen or from the description. Once the code is ready, upload it to the Magic Board. The output shall look like this.